Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to this channel where every day at 5 a.m. Jamaican time, there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I am Mark Jonas, and here what I want you to do. Want to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to this channel.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me go read from Luke 10:38 to 42. When Jesus and him special follower them did a travel go to Jerusalem, them walked through one district where one woman named Martha did live. When Martha see them, she take them in her house. Now, Martha did have one sister named Mary. From Jesus reach at the house, Mary go sit down at him foot and no move. She sit down and listen to all what him have to say. But Martha, she did a run round and do all what she need to do to make her guests them all right. She got to Jesus and asked him, say, Lord, you know see how my sister left me want to do all of the work. You no care. Tell her to come help me now. The Lord Jesus answered, say, Martha, Martha, you are bother yourself about whole heap of thing. But only one thing you for bother yourself about. Mary make up her mind to pick that one day, and nobody nah got up her. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.